Modelones has collaborated with Pantone to do a lipstick series gel nail starter kit called Fierce, and the name says it all. This kit is gorgeous. Wait till you see the gel polish bottles. They look like lipsticks. Modelones is always so good at making such nice packaging, and they've done it again. Love this set. This kit is a starter kit, so you can do your nails with everything in this kit from start to finish on your natural nails, on top of hard gel, on top of acrylic. The choice is up to you. So I definitely want to show you this kit up close and tell you everything that's in it. Such a great price. I haven't done a Modelones review for a while, so I was due to do another one, and this was the perfect thing to show you. I'm really excited about this one. So I will do some swatching and explain everything that is in the kit. Starting off, look at the kit itself. It is so pretty. The packaging is so nice. I just love the way they've done this. A W in Modelones, and it says that it's the Fierce kit. You can see behind there. So we're going to look at it right now. So this is nice and compact. I love the way they did it. So we've got the 6 polishes and the base coat and the top coat, and of course it's in this little packaging, and the bottles, like I said, look like lipsticks. Partnering with Pantone, they decided obviously to use the lipstick bottles, and I think this is such a great idea. They also give you a UV LED light, and this one looks like it's in pink. It's a mini light, of course. Yes, it's got the cord for plugging it in and the little mini lamp, which is perfect for doing, these do come open. Perfect for doing a set of nails. So cute. Also in this kit, they do give you the instructions on the Fierce kit, so it tells you exactly how to apply it, everything. And in here as well, they give you a buffing block. So of course when you're doing your natural nail, you're definitely going to have to buff the nail. So that's what that's for. They give you a little mini file as well. And they also give a little cuticle pusher. So in the polishes, some of them are luminous and cat's eye, so I haven't figured out which ones yet. I will do that as we're swatching. Anyways, so it does come with this little magnet for doing the cat's eye polish. And in here, they also give you the little tweezer so that you can pick up the little embellishments that are in the kit. And lastly, they give you some really nice gold embellishments. I'll just kind of open it here and bring it up. So in here, there's some crosses, some diamonds. There's honestly a bunch of different shapes. Just a really nice little set of embellishments. You can probably see a lot of the shapes up close here. So that is the starter kit. So I'm just going to swatch the gel polishes so you can see the colors. I'm going to start with the color polishes first, and then I'll move on to the luminous cat's eye polishes. And in each bottle there is 10 mils, and of course it's a soak off UV LED gel polish. So really cute bottles. I love the fact they look like lipsticks, like I said previously. And this one was $14.81 raspberry. Such a beautiful raspberry color, very deep. Looks like it's probably going to need 1 coat. So I will do 1 coat, and if I need 2, I will do 2. So I've always liked Modelones gel polishes. I've never had any issues with them. They're a nice consistency. So just so you know, in case you're wanting to buy this kit. So there's one coat, just really nice coverage, beautiful raspberry color. The next one is the 1482 Racing Red. It's such a nice, beautiful, deep red. This would be really nice at Christmas time. Wow, look at that red. So pretty. Just a beautiful color. Love the color of this bottle. This is that maroon one. It's called 1483 New Maroon. Just a really nice deep maroon color. So pretty. So now we're getting into the luminous cat's eye polish. Love the color of these bottles. And this one was the sparkling fuchsia 1485. So I think I'm going to do one coat, cure it, and then I'll do it again, the second coat, and I'll use the magnet. It is covering up really nice, but I'm just going to deepen it that way and show you the cat's eye. But look at how pretty that is after one coat. So there it is with two coats. So pretty. You could leave it just like this if you wanted, but I'm going to use the magnet on it now. And there it is with the magnet. So pretty. Just love this one. This bottle is so beautiful. 1486. Look at that. So pretty. So there it is with one coat. It's just a really pretty, kind of almost a champagne glittery color. Here it is with the magnet. I'm just going to use the circle side this time. There it is. Very, very nice. Love this one. I just have one more cat's eye polish to share with you from this kit. Love the color of this bottle too. This one was Sterling Lavender 1484. Another beautiful one. So just one coat again, and then I'll cure it and we'll do that second coat. The nice thing about the cat's eye polishes too, you can use them as a glitter. You don't have to use the magnet if you don't want that look, and they're still stunning. So you kind of get two uses out of a cat's eye, which is always nice. So there's that one coat. Very pretty. So now I'm just going to grab that magnet again. it is, a stunning cat's eye polish. So now I'm just going to cure this one, and I'm going to show you the other two polishes that come in this kit. So we've got, it's got a silver top. This one is the base coat. And you also get the top coat, which is the gold top. So that's nice. You get the top and base coat in this, and they have good base coats and top coats. I have all the colors together. They're simply stunning. I will have that 10% off code down in the description, as well as a link to this kit. Definitely a good purchase for fall and winter. They are beautiful. I'm sure you guys will agree with me. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this kit, which is your favorite polish or cat's eye polish. Thanks everybody for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in the next one.